Chia seeds have been consumed for centuries and have gained popularity in recent years due to their numerous health benefits. These tiny, nutrient-dense seeds are native to Mexico and were once a staple food of the Aztec and Mayan civilizations. Today, chia seeds are a popular addition to smoothies, yogurts, and oatmeal, and are considered a superfood due to their high nutrient content. 10 health benefits of chia seeds. Benefit number 10. Rich in nutrients, chia seeds are loaded with essential nutrients, including fiber, protein, healthy fats, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Benefit number 9. Aids in digestion. The high fiber content of chia seeds promotes regular bowel movements, reduces inflammation in the gut, and promotes the growth of healthy gut bacteria. Benefit number 8. Promotes heart health. Chia seeds contain a high amount of omega-3 fatty acids, which help lower cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and lower blood pressure. Benefit number 7. Helps manage diabetes. Chia seeds can help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the digestion of carbohydrates. Benefit number 6. Boosts energy. Chia seeds are a great source of energy due to their high protein and healthy fat content. They also help regulate blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes. Benefit number 5. Supports weight loss. The high fiber and protein content of chia seeds can help reduce appetite and promote feelings of fullness, making them a great addition to a weight loss diet. Benefit number 4. Promotes bone health. Chia seeds are an excellent source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which are essential for maintaining strong bones. Benefit number 3. Reduces inflammation. The high omega-3 fatty acid content of chia seeds helps reduce inflammation throughout the body. Benefit number 2. Improves skin health. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, which help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and promote healthy aging. Benefit number 1. Boosts immunity. The nutrient-rich profile of chia seeds, including their high vitamin C and zinc content, can help boost the immune system and reduce the risk of illness. Chia seeds are a versatile and nutrient-dense food that can provide numerous health benefits when added to a healthy diet. With their high fiber, protein, healthy fat, and nutrient content, chia seeds are a great addition to any meal or snack.